Ooh, sprinkles.
Are you singing happy birthday to yourself? You want to pick it up, Kitty? Yeah. Take a bite. Hey, Kitty, yeah, pick it up. Nom, 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 nom.
I want some too.
I can't. I'm shaking my camera. Try. I wanted to try the cake part.
Just eating all the frosting.
Oh, Katie, your diaper is gonna be so bad. That's cute.
Sick.
He's like, oh wow, this is really good.
He's never gonna eat anything ever again. Like, I want more of that cake stuff.
Oh my god.
There's no food.
Oh, did you find
He's got a big chunk of it on his face.
Happy birthday, baby. Love you. Look at your face. Well, I think he likes it. It's like, where's my napkin?
Where's Pete's napkin?
Did he ate like a third of that frosting already?
Oh my gosh, he hasn't eaten any of the actual cake part yet.
All over his fingers.
There you go. Did you take a bite of the cake?
He did.
Oh, good job. Yeah, he's going up his nose. He's like, look at my cake. Happy birthday, baby. Okay, don't breathe in the frosting.
Can't help it.
And then spit.
Can I have a cupcake?
I say the next time you set it down, you break up 2/3 of it.
Cupcake, please.
Just a minute. Let him keep
You got your knife ready?
We'll just break it.